Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles Part 8. So today we talk about red wine and white wine and what matches red and what matches white wines. So in general we say white wine goes with fish and chicken or poultry, and red wine goes with meat, red meats and cheese. In general, that's what works the best. But on the other hand, I think you have to see a little bit about the profile of your food and the profile of the wine. Basically, if you have strong food, powerful food, rich food, you need a rich, powerful wine. Can be also white wine can also be rich and powerful. If you have a Sauterne, you know, it's sweet and very long on your mouth, so then you can pair it with a blue cheese because they are both matching equally in strength. And on the other side, you can have a light red wine. If you have a light Pinot Noir, that can go very nice with a roasted chicken or with a pork dish, and that's still a white meat. Basically, what you try to achieve is a balance between the wine and the food, and I think that's most important. Thank you.